Hey there! In this video, we're diving into R-Link's presenter note widgets. Get ready to become the puppet master of your meetings with this nifty little feature. Let's jump right in. First, let's crack open that widget sidebar. Find the widget icon in your meeting controls toolbar and give it a click. It's like opening a treasure chest of meeting superpowers. Time to get organized. Click Add Folder and give it a snazzy name. Keep it under 25 characters. We're going for catchy, not writing a novel. If you already have a folder that you wish to use, simply open it up and you can add your presenter widget. Now, let's add some behind-the-scenes magic to your meetings. Click on your new folder, hit Add Widget, and select Presenter Note. It's like choosing your secret weapon for meeting mastery. Here comes the fun part, crafting your note. Give it a name that pops. Super Secret Host Instructions has a nice ring to it, don't you think? Write your note. You've got 5,000 characters to play with. That's like a Twitter thread on steroids. Choose where your note will make its grand appearance. Top left for the traditionalists, bottom right for the rebels. The screen is your oyster. Hit that Save Widget button and congratulations. You've just created a presenter note that would make even the most seasoned meeting hosts green with envy. Need to tweak your note? Just hover, click, and adjust. It's like having a magic wand for your meeting prompts. Playing hide and seek with your widget? No problem. Use the hide button to make it disappear faster than a magician's rabbit. When it's time to bid farewell to your note, click on the X. But wait, there's a twist. You can choose to hide it just for you or for everyone. For those, I've got this memorized moments or when the secret mission is complete. And there you have it, folks. You're now a certified presenter note wizard in the R-Link universe. Go forth and orchestrate those meetings with the finesse of a symphony conductor. Remember, with great presenter note power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely and watch your meeting flow smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Thanks for tuning in to R-Link Widget Wonders. If you need any help, our support team is always ready to assist. Now go make some presenter note magic.